Hi children, good afternoon. Welcome back to today's class. Today we will be starting with a fresh chapter, subtraction. It is chapter 3. Let us learn the concept of subtraction and its properties today. Here the concept of subtraction is explained with an example. Here the teacher has got 48 pens with her and she gives 38 pens to the boy named Sam. So here you have to find how many pens are left with her now. So I have to subtract 48 minus 38. I have to find the difference. 48 minus 38. So 8 minus 8 gives you 0. 4 minus 3 gives you 1. You have to remember one thing. Always you have to start subtracting from one's place. So here 10 pens are left with the teacher now. As you all know, subtraction means taking away. This is the sign for subtraction and it is called as minus. So these are the terms used in subtraction. So here 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So here you have to open up 7 fingers and take away 5 fingers. You get the answer as 2. So the number from which the number is subtracted is called minuend. The number from which it is subtracted, it is called subtrahend. The answer we get is called the difference. So here 7 is minuend and 5 is the subtrahend and the answer we get is called the difference. The answer is 2 here. 7 minus 5 gives you 2. Remember children, taken away, left, how many more than, how many more are needed, reminded, difference, given away are the terms used instead of subtraction. Now let us revise the subtraction properties. Property 1, 0 property of subtraction. Property 2, if we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. Property 3, in subtraction, the order in which the numbers are subtracted is very important. Property 1, 0 property of subtraction. Here, starting with an example, subtract 0 from 88. So you have to subtract 0 from 88. So when you subtract 0 from any number, you get same number as answer. So here the difference is 88. When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference will be the number itself. So here you can see 88 minus 0 gives you 88. Property 2. If we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. Here we take the number 45 is subtracted from 45. Starting from one's place, 5 minus 5 gives you 0. 4 minus 4, it is 0. So here if the number 45 is subtracted from 45, we get the difference as 0. So it is very clear, if we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. Property 3. In subtraction, the order in which the numbers are subtracted is important. Here let us consider the number 76 and 55. 76 minus 55 is 21. When order is getting changed, 55 minus 76. Here you can't subtract. So here it is very clear, 76 minus 55 is not equal to 55 minus 76. Yes children, I hope the concept of subtraction and its properties are very clear. So let's have a quick recap and get into the chapter. So fill in the blanks. First one, 8 minus 4. So we have to open up 8 fingers and take away 4 fingers. So answer is 4. Next, here 6 minus what number should be subtracted here to get answer as 5? So 6 minus 1 gives you 5. Next, 13 minus 0. So when you subtract any number from 0, you get same number as answer. So here the answer is 13. Next, 21 minus what number should be subtracted to get answer as 20? It is 1. 21 minus 1 gives you 20. Next, so here 54 minus 1 gives you 53. Next, 82 minus 0 gives you answer as 82. 82 minus 0 is 82. Next, you have to regroup. First, it is 25. So, you have to regroup the numbers as tens and ones. So, here 25 has 2 tens and 5 ones. But here you have got one more box here. So, here already it is given 110. So, here from 210 it has reduced to 110. So, this 110 should be reduced to ones. So, it has got 10 ones plus 5 ones gives you 15. Next, 38 has got 3 tens and 8 ones. So, here you can see it is already 18 ones. 110 has gone here. So, left out is 2 tens. Next, 56. It has got 5 tens and 6 ones. So, here you can see it has reduced to 4 tens. So, how many ones are left out? It is 16 ones are left out. Next, 63. It has got 6 tens and 3 ones is equal to a box is given. Then it is already mentioned 13 ones. So, left out is 5 tens. This you have to copy it in your max class. This you have to copy it in your max textbook, children. Yes. Third one, subtract. So, here A 28 minus 14 starting from ones place. 8 minus 4 gives you 4. 2 minus 1 it is 1. So, the answer is 14. Next, you have to try it by yourself and find out the answer. Next, 62 minus 19 starting from ones place. Leave 2 fingers and take away 9 fingers. Can you take? No. So, what I have to do? I have to borrow from 6. 6 becomes 5. 2 becomes 12. This we have learnt in second standard. Just I am revising it again. So, after 9, 10, 11, 12. It is 3. 5 minus 1 gives you 4. So, the answer is 43. Next, 75 minus 36. Leave 5 fingers and take away 6 fingers. Can you take? No. So, I have to borrow from 7. So, 7 becomes 6. 5 becomes 15. Start counting after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, 9 fingers. 6 minus 3. It is 3. Next, E, you have to try it by yourself. Going to words problem. Word problems. There were 34 marbles in a bag. 23 marbles fell out of the bag. How many marbles are left in the bag now? So, here I have used the space. 34 minus 23 gives you 11. 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1 again. So, it is 11. 11 marbles are left. So, fifth one, you can use this space for rough column and find out the answer. So, this you have to copy in your textbook, and the sums which I have not done, you are doing it as homework. So, here ends this session, children. Bye. Take care.